What's up, you guys? It's Jason from RPM, and today we're going to take a look at a quick little new product we got here for the Pro R. These are our oil fill adapters. This is a replacement for the factory timing chain plate on the Pro R, and essentially what it does is eliminates the need to remove the bed to top off or change your oil. On the Pro R, if you want to change your oil, guys say, you know, it's only a few bolts to take the bed out. That's true if you have nothing in the bed. If you have any kind of storage or any of that stuff going on, or a cooler that's already full of ice, you want to top it off while you're on the trail, it really kind of makes it a pain. What kind of inspired this is we were in Mexico. We were running about 1,200 miles down the peninsula of Baja and got to about 1,000-mile mark, and we needed to top off the oil. Cooler's full, has all of our stuff in the back in the second storage compartment, and we were trying to fill oil through the dipstick, and it worked. It just took us 30 minutes to do it. So we created this. It's quick, it's easy, nothing needs to be removed. It's simply back here on the back side of the alternator belt cover, and it's a super easy 3-bolt install. You just loosen up the alternator cover, 3 bolts. We made it super easy, so this bolt that goes behind your pulley doesn't even get removed, slides in, retighten it, drop the factory bolts back in, don't need to replace your gasket, and you're good to go. If you have a turbo, this is a -10 ORB fitting, and it will accept an O-ring, and that means that you can do an ORB to flared AN fitting for an oil return for a turbo kit, if that's what you're doing. So these are super cool, super quick, super easy install. You can pick them up at RPMSxS.com.